Hold on to your swim caps, folks, because history is being made in the pool. For the first time ever, men are gracing the world stage of artistic swimming at the Paris 2024 Olympics. That's right, synchronized swimming, once considered a ladies-only domain, is getting a splash of testosterone. This groundbreaking decision is making waves, and not just the kind created by synchronized swimmers' legs. It's a giant leap for inclusivity in sports, proving that athleticism knows no gender bounds. No longer will men have to live vicariously through their synchronized swimming sisters, daughters, or goldfish. The world is finally ready to witness men rocking those nose clips and waterproof mascara with the same finesse and artistry as their female counterparts. Get ready for some serious synchrofied swagger. This is a big deal, folks. It's a victory for equality and a testament to the evolving nature of sports. So let's dive in and explore this exciting new chapter in Olympic history. Every revolution needs its pioneers, and in men's artistic swimming, Bill May is a trailblazing icon. He's battled stereotypes, breaking barriers with every lift. May's journey hasn't been easy. He's faced raised eyebrows and dismissive snickers. But with determination and a smile, he's proven men have grace and athleticism. His advocacy has opened doors for male swimmers worldwide. Synchronized swimming is about passion, skill, and pushing limits. May's legacy is forever intertwined with this historic moment. Let's address the stereotype clinging to the side. Artistic swimming is easy or just for girls. Put on your swim trunks and try keeping up. Artistic swimming is not for the faint of heart. It requires incredible strength, stamina, and breath-holding abilities. Imagine holding your breath underwater while contorting your body into graceful, synchronized movements. Not so easy now, is it? This sport is about power, precision, and artistry. It's about defying gravity and challenging the limits of the human body. So, next time you hear someone scoff at synchronized swimming, just smile knowingly and tell them to jump in the pool and give it a try. Section 4. High kicks and tight spirals. This ain't your grandma's water ballet. Gone are the days of synchronized swimming, being relegated to pastel-colored swimsuits and overly enthusiastic smiles. This is the 21st century, and artistic swimming is bolder, more dynamic, and more captivating than ever before. We're talking high-flying lifts, intricate patterns, and acrobatic feats that would make Cirque du Soleil jealous. The sport has evolved into a mesmerizing fusion of athleticism, artistry, and storytelling. Swimmers transform into underwater dancers, their movements fluid and powerful, their expressions conveying a range of emotions from joy to sorrow, from strength to vulnerability. No longer confined to traditional gender roles or expectations, artistic swimming is embracing its edgy, creative side. With daring choreography, innovative lifts, and costumes that would make Lady Gaga proud, this sport is pushing boundaries and redefining what it means to be both powerful and graceful in the water. Section 5. Leveling the playing field. Creating opportunities for male synchronized swimmers. With men now officially part of the artistic swimming scene, it's time to ensure they have the same opportunities to shine as their female counterparts. That means creating welcoming and inclusive environments at all levels, from grassroots programs to elite training centers. This includes providing access to qualified coaches who understand the unique challenges and strengths of male swimmers. It means establishing clear pathways for advancement and offering competitive opportunities that allow male athletes to showcase their skills and gain valuable experience. Organizations like USA Artistic Swimming are stepping up to the plate, implementing initiatives to promote gender equity and support the growth of men's artistic swimming. By fostering a culture of inclusivity and providing the necessary resources, we can empower a new generation of male synchronized swimmers to make their mark on the world stage. Section 6. A splash towards equality, celebrating progress and looking ahead. The inclusion of men in artistic swimming at the Paris 2024 Olympics is a monumental step towards gender equality in sports. It's a testament to the power of perseverance and advocacy. While we celebrate this historic moment, the journey towards true equality is far from over. There's still work to be done in challenging stereotypes and creating equal opportunities. The Paris 2024 Olympics remind us that change is possible when we embrace inclusivity. By pushing boundaries and supporting one another, we can create a future where sports reflect the diversity of our world.